I'm trying to find a GE motor 5sme39hl hy71 replacement. Is there a suitable substitution?
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
The capacitor is going bad and the fan does not always turn on startup. Had a AC technician service it today. They want $600 to replace.
Okay, got it. Last thing, HVAC technicians generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I'm just one of the techs on here and I try to get to as many customers as I can, and I just picked up your question now. Please allow time for me to respond. Sometimes I get the questions or responses late, so please be patient as I have no control over the site issues. Note, I have nothing to do with your payment to the site and did not receive that money. You have to supply a rating in order for us techs to receive credit for our time, as we have nothing to do with any payment made to the site. You can order it here. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
That is not a suitable replacement. The above part number is a variable speed, 1/3 of a horsepower, 240 volts, 855/120ths of a revolution per minute. If you are unable to help me find the correct item, please let me know.
That is a variable speed motor. Now the exact one you have is not available, but there are some decent ones on eBay, but that is about the only option. Click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.